Question number 41 from reading 20. Uh, so, two of the three portfolios are on the efficient frontier and they have given us the risk and return. Which two portfolios are on the efficient frontier? It's not given in the question, that we have to decide कि कौन से दो portfolio efficient frontier पे है. So, they have given three portfolios: Jones, Kelly, and Lewis. A risk averse investor choosing from these portfolios could rationally select. Okay, so the investor is risk averse and he will invest into which portfolio? Jones, Kelly, or Lewis? That is the question. Now, only two portfolios are on efficient frontier. So, the risk averse investor or any rational investor, when we say rational investors are risk averse, that is the main category of the investors, so they will invest into such portfolios which are on efficient frontier. Why? Because efficient frontier gives the maximum return for a given level of risk, or gives the lowest risk for a given return. So risk low हो जाएगा उसमें and return high हो जाएगा. So one will invest in that portfolio. So let's see how to identify that. We'll start with the Jones. Jones का return is 4% and risk is 4%. Okay. So we'll see ऐसे यहाँ पे Jones to Kelly में if the return is increasing then the risk should also increase. अगर वैसे नहीं है so there is problem in one of the portfolio. So let's see Jones to Kelly में and then we'll see Jones to Lewis में क्या हो रहा है. So Jones to Kelly में the return is increasing and the risk is also increasing. So no problem. Either both should increase or both should decrease. So यहाँ पे कुछ problem नहीं है. Jones to Lewis देखते हैं. The return is increasing from 4 to 6 and standard deviation, that is risk, is also increasing 4 to 5. So again no problem. अभी केली एंड लुइस का देखते हैं. जोन्स का हो गया पेयरिंग केली का लुइस के साथ. सो यहाँ पे रिटर्न इज इंक्रीजिंग एंड risk is decreasing. मतलब there is problem in either Kelly or there is problem with the portfolio Lewis. So अभी किसमें problem है देखने के लिए we need to understand कि return कहाँ पे ज्यादा मिल रहा है. We want high return and low risk because the investor is risk averse. So risk averse investor will invest in such portfolio where the return is high and the risk is low. Want low risk. So for Kelly, return is only 5%. However, the risk is 6%. एंड यहाँ पे हमें रिटर्न मिल रहा है ज्यादा, रिस्क इज कम. सो लुइस इज अ गुड पोर्टफोलियो, केली इज नॉट अ गुड पोर्टफोलियो. सो रिस्क अवर्स इन्वेस्टर विल नॉट इन्वेस्ट इनटू केली. Yeah, that is very much clear. Will not invest in Kelly. Then the rest two portfolios, यहाँ पे दिया है two of the three portfolios. So Jones and Lewis would be on a efficient frontier because दो है. So if those two portfolios are on efficient frontier, मतलब those two portfolios are good, giving the maximum return and the lowest risk. So why someone will invest into Jones? Right? So यहाँ पे risk is 4%, return is also 4%, but that's on efficient frontier. मतलब if the investor is more risk averse मतलब ज्यादा risk नहीं लेना है. If the investor is more risk averse, he will invest into Jones because the risk is lowest and it is the best portfolio because for a 4% level of risk, if it is on the efficient frontier, meaning it's giving the maximum return. So more risk averse investor will invest into Jones. And if the investor is less risk averse, then he will invest into Lewis क्योंकि वहां पे risk थोड़ा ज्यादा है, return भी ज्यादा है. So it's always the same thing. Risk more, return more, risk less, return less. So two portfolio Jones and Lewis are on efficient frontier. So the risk averse investor will choose either Jones or Lewis but not Kelly. And that's option B. So the correct answer for this question is B.